With the release of the OnePlus Buds Pro right around the corner at the time of recording this video, I decided to buy the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition, my god that's a long name, as well. And I say as well because if you have been around the channel for a while, you must be knowing that I personally use the OnePlus Buds Z. If you want to check out my review of the OnePlus Buds Z as well, I'll link it up right here. These are truly wireless earbuds compared to these being a neckband style Bluetooth earbuds. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so in the front of the box we got a nice diagram of the earphones themselves. Here it says OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition and it's in Reverb red color. There's nothing on the left and right corners of the box. On the back we do have some features listed here. Base Edition, of course, bass boost, and these do have fast charging, so you can charge them for like 10 minutes and enjoy for 10 hours. Now here's what I'm interested in: 17 hours of battery life. I'm gonna have to test this because they don't tell you what volume level this is at. Clear and stable calls. These are water and sweat resistance. If you're in the rain or if you're working out, these are really good for you, but you can't go swimming with them. And finally, magnetic control. I'll show you what that's about in a moment. Here we got the pricing. These do retail for around 2,190 rupees, roughly equates to $30, but of course it's gonna be different in different regions. I think I do need a knife for this.
A few moments later.
No, you don't need it. Yeah, of course. See, big brain tactics. So I'm guessing this just slides out.
That's what she said.
There we go. I just gotta appreciate how clean the packaging is. I always like minimalistic designs. So yeah, here you got another diagram of the headphones themselves. And here's the magnetic control part I was talking about. They're from the actual headphones themselves. So this part just comes right off. And here are the headphones themselves. We're gonna be coming to these in a moment, but let's check what else comes in the box. Alright, I'm guessing this is gonna have the cable and the manuals. Yeah, of course. Is this USB-C? Yes, so you got the red cable club card, you got some spare ear tips, so in case you lose those ones or if you want a better fit so you can switch them around. This is the manual. So all jokes aside, you should keep the red cable club card because this does have a QR code behind it which does have some benefits. This comes off and the second one is off as well. So let's take these out. And they just come off. Alright, so here are the buds themselves. We got some more wrapping here. Alright, so on the left side of the headphones, you do have your microphone up here, volume up, volume down, and a middle button as well. This middle button is of course a little bit raised to distinguish it from the other buttons. And on the left side, you do have your USB-C charging port for fast charging. And on the back, we have another slot for a microphone. On the right side, there is nothing but the OnePlus branding. I hope you can see it. Yeah, there it is. And here we got the bud tips as well. These are in-ear design, which I absolutely love. And this is the magnetic action part. These have magnets on back of them so you can attach and detach them at any time. The magnets also have a function, and that is once you join these two up, they automatically turn off. And once you detach these, they automatically turn on and connect to the last connected device. Now pairing these up should be quite simple. I do have a OnePlus phone right here. It's the OnePlus 7. And I should just turn on Bluetooth and then turn these on by detaching them, and it should just pop up just like my OnePlus Buds Z did. Yep, there they are. It automatically shows up in the notification and then tap to pair. That's it, they're paired. You can set more options here, Bluetooth, absolute volume, and stuff like that. Now this was a case where I had a OnePlus device. If you're not on a OnePlus device, it's gonna be simple. Just go to the Bluetooth settings, go to pair new device, and it should just show up right here after you have detached these. Now because I'm not one of those sellout tech reviewers on YouTube, I am going to be spending a decent amount of time with these before I give you my review, because products like this are meant for daily use. You can't make a good review out of these if you have not used them for a decent amount of time. So yeah, like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on the review when it eventually comes. Here are some more videos by me on your screen, so if you're interested, please check them out as well. My original song Flip the Script drops on 26th August, so be sure to check that out as well. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.